It is a good idea to show the username of a logged user in the header of each page of a website. And if the user is not logged in, then the login and register buttons can be shown instead. The best way to implement it is to use partial views in combination with layout pages. This tutorial explains the steps for this. First, we have to add a partial view. Open the Solution Explorer and right-click the Pages folder to add a folder called Shared. This is a special folder that must have the exact same spellings as you see here. Next, right-click the folder to add a page called LoginPartial. Please recall that by convention, the names of partial pages start with an underscore and that they are named according to partial convention where the name is in a camel notation that starts with an uppercase letter. Let us open the file and examine the markup. First, we have the namespace and tag helper directives. These directives should be placed in a view imports file, but we haven't done that because we wanted to keep the tutorial focused on this partial page. Next, we have used the @inject directive for dependency injection of the sign-in manager and user manager services. The isSignedIn method of the sign-in manager class has been used in an if statement. If the user is signed in, then the name is displayed. Otherwise, the register and login buttons are displayed. We haven't used any CSS or JavaScript because that can always be done in consultation with your web designer teams. Next, let us add a layout page. Again, open the Solution Explorer and right-click the shared folder and add a page called layout.cshtml. Open the layout file to examine its markup. The page contains a simple HTML structure. The partial page is rendered inside a header tag as you can see here. Open the Solution Explorer again and right-click the Pages folder to add a file called viewstart.cshtml. As you can see, this file sets the layout property. If you are new to the concept of master pages and layout files, please refer the Razor Pages chapter for more information. Run the project and open the home page. We verify that the login and register buttons appear as per the requirements. Click the login button to open the login page. Enter a registered email and do a login. We verify that the user ID